Hi guys! It's so sunny, it's Friday afternoon, we've just done our shopping and now we're on the way home, and I have received some stuff I've ordered for my salon. I know it's a bit too early, but I got so excited and it was VAT free week, so yeah. So now I'm gonna go home and then I'm gonna show you what I've bought for my salon, all the colors, shampoos, what I've picked. I'm so excited, and I'm getting now my energy from the sun. We're getting our vitamin D, good for the bones, if you didn't know. So yeah, and we are with Sumo on a walk in the park, and we've lost him. He's somewhere here. Okay, he's there. Where is he? Sumo! Sumo! He's been eating grass lately because I think he needs to vomit a little bit. His stomach has been upset yesterday, but he was alright in the end. But yeah, it's alright now. There is our monkey running. Hello, baby boy. There you go. Uh-oh, he met another doggy. We met another doggy, but he's not paying attention to it. There you go. You're getting your suntan. Yes, you are. I'm so excited about these packages, so check them out. And there we are. We are at home now, and excuse for no makeup, but I have, every time I have a day off, I have a free makeup day, and I don't do anything to my hair, so that's how I go. So my face, my hair rest for 2 days I'm off, or at least one day, so I call it a free day makeup. Anyway, there is the packages. There you go. So let's open them and let's see what's in them. That's the first one. I ordered everything from Sally's, and they had a Viksi free week, so that's why I decided to order it, because like that the whole package, the whole thing cost me like £370, and I saved like 60-70 pounds I think from all the products I bought. And this is so hard to open. Okay. So now I'm gonna open everything and then I'm gonna put it on place. What have we got here? Oh my, and the bag broke. Alright. Okay, never mind. We'll just take everything out and then I'll start showing you what have I bought. Okay, most of this is the shampoos. I love bed heads. I love the bed head shampoos. They smell incredible. So what I have bought is the Dump Blonde. This smells like really lovely melon. Then I bought the rechargeable one, which is for dull and liveness hair. So I think this is perfect for when you bleach your hair, these two. Then I have for color, for repair, shampoo and conditioner. And then I have the rehab for hair and for dry hair. So because every time when I get a client, most of them they with colored hair, so I think that's the main thing I need. So I have 4 different shampoos, and I think there were, let me see if there's prices. No, there's no prices here. I think they were like 12-13 pounds per 2 bottles, so that's a really good bargain. Then I have I'll show you that after. Then I have the other ones. So the products I decided to go with the colors is the XP100. This is the one. This is the catalog actually for the colors. And then I have bought my accountant agenda, the book. That's how it looks like. So I'm gonna do most of my accountant, so only in the end of the year I will have accountant doing it. Then I have more bed heads. This is the bed head Superstar Queen for the Day thickening spray. Okay, and then I have the hard hold hair spray. This is when I do my bed heads. Like I said, I love these products because I think they just smell amazing. Then I have And as you know, I've been trying a lot of different products, and I think when I open the salon, that's gonna be, I want to sell all the products I'm happy with, not just one brand, because I don't think one brand has everything the best. So I'm just picking up from all the brands everything what I love. This is the after party. This is the smoothing cream. This is amazing for when I when I do hair, straight hair. It's just amazing. Or so it smoothens the hair, or curly hair as well. It's very good. This is the silverizing shampoo. I've tried so many brands, and I think that's one of the best silverizing shampoos. So that's perfect when you bleach someone's hair and then tone it with that, and then put the other toner. It gets rid of the yellow. I've been using that for over a year. Then I have the styling cream again when I do curls, when I straighten hair. And Yon is one of the best brands I've ever used for styling products. The colors I've tried, they're good, but they're not the best. But they're not as strong, the toners, but their products and hair masks are just amazing. And this is for with wheat soya protein, and it's for curly and straight styles, for frizzy, manageable hair. So this product is really, really good. And then I have another Yon product, which is the Miracle Shine Hair Serum. This is, again, it's with vitamin E, macadamia and crumble seed oil for frizzy, unmanageable hair. So this, I love this product. I love Yon products, and I love bedhead products. So that's what I'm going with. Then I have, let me see if I have any other styling. I have the bedhead for men Power Play. That's gonna be my finishing gel when I do a men's haircut. Again, it's bedhead, and seriously, the smell of these TG products is just amazing. When I try their colors as well, they smell amazing. So what else I have both, again, like I said, bedheads. This is the that goes with this mask. So it's like a hair mask. It's a resurrection hair mask. I've used that before, and it's really good. So when I get a client with a damaged hair, especially when I bleach it and they have already damaged hair, of course I'm not going to continue if it's too damaged, but if they need some repair, I can do that as a deep conditioning treatment for them. And what else I have bought a waterproof, this is the shampoo cape when I wash their hair, so that their clothes, they don't get wet. I bought a new hair tool brush, because the one I have was actually very, very like it was not from nice hair, so it was scratching my customers on the neck. And this one is like already, there you go. This looks really, really good to me. And what else? I have bought XP. Oh, there you go. Why is only one? Bought many of them. Okay, I'm missing some products, guys, here, because I've ordered like Conditions Miracle, like 10 of them, so I really can't see them. So this one I wanted to give it to clients, to sell it to clients as well, give it to them when they need a really good treatment at home. It's the conditioner, and you can just microwave that, and it's amazing for repairing the hair. But first I wanted to try it on my hair as well, because I've tried their product, but I want not this exactly one. What else I bought? I bought this is the Schwarzkopf. I use Igora number 6. I use on one of my clients. She loves this color, and that's what I bought to use it on her hair. I just had her yesterday, and this color works really good for her. I bought a Berea cream. If you don't know this cream, you put it around here, around the face, and then when you apply color, it doesn't stay in the face, so that's a very good option for me. But if you don't have that, you can use a Vaseline, so it works pretty well as well. And then I have for this Igora, the Royal, I have the 6% because I use it for grey hair. This is the peroxide for it. I bought the XP Blue Bleaching Power. I haven't used that, but next time I do my hair, I'm going to use this and see how this works. And then the rest, all here, it's all the colors I have bought from XP. Yeah, this is all the colors. There you go. I bought the most common colors. I bought number 2, number 3, number 4, number 6, anyway. And I bought one XP200. This is a permanent hair color, and I think I might be getting another package because I cannot see all the things I've ordered again. This is just one, and this is the, let's see, this is the pastel ash color, so that's what I'm going to try to use next time on my hair and see how that works. I have the peroxide for that, which is this one, that one, so I'm gonna use that next time in my video when I do my color. Then all the I have 9% the peroxides, I have 6%, then I have 20 then I have another 6% because that's the most common I use. I have 12%, and then I have the 1.8 peroxide, that's for the toners when I need it. And yeah, so this is all I got. It's a bit messy now, and I'm so excited, guys, because I can feel, oh, I didn't show you the brushes I bought. This is the balls I bought. I love the colors, they're my favorite colors. And then I bought some brushes and some balayage board. I have a short one, but this one is gonna be good, and this is a technique I love doing. And I think if you decide to get your hair lighter, that's the best way to do it. Because I think instead of doing highlights, and the highlights, they grow so fast, especially with my hair, that doesn't work because I have to do it every 4 weeks, and that's way too much. So I think balayage is a really good technique if you want to get your hair lighter, and it doesn't take that long to, like, you have to do it, you can do it only every 4 months or something. So I think it's a very, very good technique, and I would love to use that more, and hopefully I get a lot of clients using it because this is amazing, and it's so much faster than doing highlights, and it doesn't damage the hair as much. That's my personal opinion. So yeah, that's what I bought, guys. I'll show you the whole thingy. So this is all the things I bought, plus I have all these colors. There you go, and the whole total of all these products, I think it came up to 370 pounds with the delivery, and it was free delivery. And all I'm gonna say, it came like, they say normally it's next day delivery, but it was not next day delivery. It came a bit later. First it came one package, then after that it came another one, so it took like 4 or 5 working days. So my advice is, if you have a salon, just don't rely on getting the products the next day, because if they don't have it, they won't deliver it straight away. It might take up to 4 working days, so make sure you actually get enough products on time. But there's other sites, they deliver next day delivery, like direct, there was like, I'm not hair direct hair, or I don't know, I can't remember the site. I have it bookmarked. Anyway, that's what I bought, guys. I hope I was helpful, and now I'm going to stock everything on my shelves, and let's just jump there. And there we are. I hope you can see properly, but I'm so happy, guys. This is how it looks like. How beautiful is that? And how colorful. Yay! I think I've done a really good job, guys.